This is Quantum EA back with another stock that I'll be looking at this week. This is AT&T, ticker T. Um, Today's June 1st, 2025, and as you can see, it ended the week with a nice push up, but it kind of stalled out. And if you see it stalled out here on the 20th, here on the 19th, here it was acting as support, trying to act as support before breaking down on the 9th, here on the 8th, and kind of here it kind of pushed through on the 6th, came back down, and then pushed higher. So that's a good level to watch. Um, in the positioning, which is the OI that I'm looking at, obviously we'll have to check it on market open when it updates again. But uh, Friday's OI had a heavy concentration around the 26 strike. Um, you can see in the morning kind of took off and never left, never looked back. This area, um, I've tried along this um, sometime around here the previous week, and it's been good for scalps. You take a long here, and it's been on open. You take a long here on open and you just ride up for a small gain. Another day, Wednesday open. You take a long here, ride up for a small gain. And the same thing again on Friday. Friday, I took it all. I kind of caught the move after it shot up. It went up so fast. But same thing Friday. We went long here uh, around 27.50, I think, and kind of rode it up for a nice gain. As you can see, the POCs right here, um, and this is the hourly chart, by the way, but it's kind of been like an oscillator. Come up, come down, test the POC, then come back down and shoot right back up, test it, push through it, shoot back up, back to this resistance zone, reject from there. Oop, didn't mean to move that. And then come back down and just kind of oscillate right around it. But as you can see here, besides this low right here, uh, Friday was able to push through the highs. So for upside, it's looking pretty good. As always, with uncertainty around everything, it's hard to swing trades. I really wanted to swing some longer dated calls Friday, but like I said, it's just right now you have to be super cautious or go smaller with the position sizes. For me, scalping has just been amazing. You can catch 200 to 300% moves on a daily basis with many different stocks like this one. It's just been consolidating, so I kind of stayed away from it. I think I longed last week, um, last Friday, and got a nice gain, but it's not the moves that it's usually been making. You can see it usually makes these nice trending moves, whether it's going up or down. It's usually making some nice moves, and then this past week was just nothing. Um, but I will look for longs on this as long as it stays above 27.50. 27.50 is going to be the key pivot. That is a POC. You got a high volume node here at 27.68, and as you can see, it rejected, and finally broke through. You have a little cluster right here at 27.93. As you can see, if you go over, that's kind of another zone. But then right here is 28, and I really think it push ups into this resistance right here. Um, but the key would be a 27.50 hold on Monday. If it opens and doesn't gap down, and hopefully if it opens and it doesn't just take off, I will look to enter calls targeting this previous week's high at 28.30. Um, so yeah, that's just the idea on T. Like I said, stick to levels. Follow me for more ideas and all that good stuff. On X is where I post all my gains. You can see how often I enter trades, what I'm entering, what strikes I'm looking at, and all that good stuff. So don't forget to follow me on X. And yeah, let's make this money.